Here's a quick look at how we capture a skateboard deck with the Artec Leo and turn it into a usable CAD with Geomagic Design X. We start by scanning the deck with a Leo, which makes it easy to move around the part and capture the full shape, including the curves, edges, subtle surfaces, changes that matter. Once the scan is complete, we'll bring the data into Artec Studio for cleanup and alignment. Then move into Geomagic Design X to build a precise, editable CAD model from the scan. This workflow is ideal when you need more than just a mesh. Whether you're reverse engineering an existing deck, checking for geometry, modifying design, or preparing it for manufacturing, Design X helps turn scan data into real engineering output. Instead of manually rebuilding the shape from scratch, you're starting from the actual physical part, which saves time and improves confidence in the final model. If you're looking for a complete scan-to-CAD workflow for products like this, Rapid Scan 3D can help you choose the right hardware, software, and training for the job.